A lot of times, you might see your screen flicker when using a Windows 10 PC due to many reasons. Flickering displays, whether on desktop or laptop screens, can be frustrating, especially when you are in the middle of important work. If this is happening with you too and you are looking for a way to stop screen flickering on Windows 10, in this video we will show you best ways to fix display flickering in Windows 10. Check your monitor and cables. If not connected properly, the monitor cable causes flickering on the screen. Check all the cable connections from the monitor to the computer. Take them out and plug them back in to ensure the cables are secure. If you have a spare monitor cable, try using it instead. Now check the display and see if the problem is fixed or not. Set the correct refresh rate. Head to Settings and here in Settings window, go to System option. You are directed to the display page. Go to the right side of the panel, scroll down and under the Multiple Displays section, click on the Advanced Display Settings. In the next window, go to the Refresh Rate section and from the Refresh Rate drop down, select a lower refresh rate than the current one. Update your display driver. Go to Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, navigate to Display Adapters and expand the section by clicking on the arrow on the left. Now right-click on the graphics driver and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Now wait for Windows to look for any available drivers, and if available, it will update the driver automatically to the latest version. Restart your PC and see if your screen still flickers. Well, manually updating driver is time consuming, while the automatic method is simple and easy. If you want to update drivers automatically, try using Advanced Driver Updater. Download and install Advanced Driver Updater, run the driver updating utility and click on Start Scan Now. Wait for the scan to finish. Once done, you will get a list of outdated and updated drivers. Click on the Update Driver option next to every driver and update the driver. After updating the display driver to apply changes and fix screen flickering issues, restart the system. Reseat your graphics card. If your graphics card isn't seated correctly in your motherboard, it can cause screen flashing. You can easily check this if your motherboard has inbuilt graphics. Remove the monitor cable from your graphics card and plug it into the motherboard's display slot instead. If the flashing stops, you know the graphics card is the problem. Uninstall problematic applications. Search for apps and features and click on the same. Go to the right side of the panel and under the Apps and Features section, look for the problematic app. Select the problematic app and press the Uninstall button below. Press the Uninstall button again in the pop-up to confirm the action. Create a new Windows user profile. Go to Windows Settings, click on Accounts. On the left side panel, click on Other Users. Click on Add someone else to this PC. Enter the email address of the person you want to add and click on Next. So that's all. Try these methods to solve your Windows 10 screen flashing problem and share which method worked for you in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.